In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove your Google account from a Windows 11 PC or laptop updated 2026 full guide. By the end, you'll know exactly how to disconnect a Google account that Windows uses for apps and services without deleting the Google account itself. This is useful if you're troubleshooting sync issues, switching accounts, or handing the device to someone else. First, open Settings on your Windows 11 computer. The quickest way is to press the Windows key plus the letter I on your keyboard. You can also click the Start button and select the gear-shaped settings icon. Give it a moment to load so all the menus populate properly. Next, in the Settings window, click Accounts on the left side. This is where Windows manages who can sign in and which online accounts are linked to your device. In the Accounts area, look for the section that handles linked accounts. On most Windows 11 builds, this is labeled Email and Accounts. If your layout looks a little different, stay within Accounts and choose the option that shows accounts used by apps and services. Now, find your Google account under the heading Accounts used by other apps. This list shows accounts that Windows and its apps can access for things like mail, calendar, or permissions you granted in the past. Your Google entry will typically display your Google email address and a Google icon. If you don't see it here, it likely means that Google wasn't added to Windows for app access on this device. Click your Google account entry and then choose Remove. Windows may expand a small menu or show a button directly beneath the account. Selecting Remove tells Windows to disconnect that Google profile so apps on this PC can no longer use it. When the confirmation prompt appears, read the message so you understand what's changing. This process unlinks the account from Windows. It does not delete your Google account, your emails, or your files in the cloud. Click Remove or Yes to confirm. After this, the account should disappear from the list, indicating it's no longer connected. To complete the process, restart your Windows 11 computer, save any open work, then click Start, select the power icon, and choose Restart. Restarting clears anything cached in memory and ensures all services pick up the change, so you won't run into apps still thinking the account is available. That's it. You've cleanly removed your Google account from Windows 11. If you ever need it again, you can add it back later in the same accounts area.